A quick unboxing of the Garland Garden Tray. I've actually got this for indoor use for my succulents, so I've got lots of saucers at the moment for the succulents, but it kind of gets a bit messy when you're watering. So if I stick them all in a single tray, it doesn't matter if one's overwatered, they'll share the water, and it makes it probably better use of space as well. So I bought this. It doesn't actually say anywhere on the label or on the back what the measurements are, but it's about roughly 22 inches across by about 15 inches. So what's that? 38 centimeters by about 57. Basically small enough to go on a kitchen top, which is where the plants are. So that's it. Quality wise, I mean, really great quality. I bought Garland trays before and they're great, as you can see, from recycled plastic as well, so saving the universe. But really great construction. This one doesn't have grooves. You can see these other ones, these are actually Garland, these are outside ones, they've got the grooves. They're bigger and they help the water flow a bit more, but this is for indoor use. It doesn't really matter about the grooves. So nice, sturdy, it's going to last a long time, good weight, feels great, and then it's printed on the back as well. Definitely check them out if you're buying trays. Well, you can see there's some little grooves on the back here. Not sure why that is, maybe something to do with heated beds, who knows. But if you're in the market for some trays, indoor or outdoor, I would thoroughly recommend the Garland trays. 10 out of 10. Another thing I like the Garland products, and you can just tell it's quality, is these stickers are hopefully a recycled plastic, but a kind of plastic which makes it very easy to get them off without coming away. Just makes it less messy and a good sign of quality. There we go.